What's going on, guys? John Elder here from codemy.com, and in this video, we're going to add event, venue, and user counts to our dashboard for our app with Django and Python. All right, guys, like I said, in this video, we're going to add some stuff to our admin dashboard. But before we get started, if you like this video and want to see more like it, be sure to smash the like button below, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and check out codemy.com, where I have dozens of courses with thousands of videos that teach you to code. Use coupon code YouTube50 to get 50% off membership with all my courses, videos, and books for a one-time fee, which is insanely cheap. Okay, like I said, in this video, we're going to add some stuff to our admin dashboard that we set up in the last video. Remember in the last video, we set up this event approval admin dashboard where we could approve or disapprove of events. In this video, I want to add a little something else to this and make it into like a real admin dashboard. You can see we've got the number of events, the number of venues, and our number of users. And I've got it just in a nice little card here at the top of this page. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this video. So let's head back over to our code. I'm using the Sublime Text Editor and the Git Bash terminal as always. And as always, you can find a link to the code in the pinned comment section below, as well as a link to the playlist with all the other Django videos in this series. So check that out if you haven't so far. Okay, so let's head over here to our events /views.py file and come down to our admin approval section. We set this up in the last video. And basically what I'm going to do is create a few variables here. Let's call this event count. We'll call this one venue underscore count. And we'll call this one users or user underscore count. So what we want to do here is just query our models. So we've got events. Let me just pop in the same thing here for each of these. So this one is obviously going to be our venue model. And this one will be our user model. So let's say here, let's comment get counts. So these event, venue, and user, obviously we've imported these up here. So event and venue, and then here's user from our Django contrib auth system, right? So this is the user authentication thing that comes with Django. So we've imported these three models in previous videos so we can use them here. So this will grab everything in the events model, everything in the venue model, and everything in the user model. And we don't necessarily want that. What we want is just a count of each of these things. So we could just call .count, right? And that's kind of all there is to it. So now we just need to pass each of these variables into our page, and then we can use it. So let's come down here. Remember, when we're posting to the page, when we're filling out that form, it does all of this stuff, right? Else, we're just going to the page and it does this stuff. It just returns the page and passes some stuff. So we just need to pass in these things. So event count. Let's see, venue count, the next one. So we pass in venue count, venue count, separate them with commas as always. And then finally, user count, boom, and boom. Okay. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If we save this, now we head over to the actual page itself. So let's go to our templates, events, admin approval section. And here's our admin event approval portal. Let me change this to admin dashboard. So here's the actual table. We want to put some line breaks and stuff here. And let me put a new thing here that says event approval form or something, right? Let me put some line breaks here. Okay, so here we just want the event count and a line break, the venue count and a line break, and the user count and a line break. So here we could just pass in each of those things, right? So, well, let me just copy this. Pop that there and pop that there. So now obviously this one will be user count, it will be venue count, and this one will be event count. So let's go ahead and save this, head back over to our website and see if that worked. So I'm in my my club website directory, got my virtual environment turned on. Let's go Python manage.py, run server, make sure our server's running. Head back over to the site, hit reload. I have to log in again. So I'm in the admin, go to our admin section, and boom, we've got our counts. So I don't know, that looks good. Let's make sure though. Let's go to localhost :8000, hit the admin section. So our events, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So event count 7, that seems right. We go to venues. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's right. And finally, our users up here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we want to add an event real quick, say test event 2022, go 2022-0201, pick a thing, whatever, tester, submit. Now if we go back here, event count is now 8. We can come back to my events. We see there's test event 2022. We can delete this thing. Now we come back here, we're back down to 7. Just that easy. So, okay, this is cool, but maybe we want to add a little something here. Head over to getbootstrap.com, click on the docs, come down here to, let's see, components, grab a card. And I'm just going to scroll down here and find a card that looks good. Here's one with a header footer. Just copy this guy. Let's head back over to our code real quick, add this. So we could just pop that in. And here we could say event/venue/user count list. I don't know, whatever. And then we could just pop each of these guys in here. Something like that. Get rid of that thing. Don't need a button. And I'm just going to copy this a couple of times and then swap out this stuff right here. There we go. Okay, that looks good. So let's save this, head back over here, see how this looks. Boom, there we go. Okay, looking pretty good. So very easy to add counts, just query our model. You could do this with a filter as well if you want to filter for specific things in your model, right? If you didn't want to just do the number of things, you might want to do the, I don't know, whatever, things with specific venues. How many are at City Park? You could just filter by City Park, slap a .count on the end of it, and that will work as well. Pretty simple and pretty cool. So that's all for this video. If you liked it, be sure to smash the like button below, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and check out codemy.com where you can use coupon code YouTube50 to get 50% off membership. So it's access to all my courses, over 50 courses, thousands of videos, and the PDFs of all my best-selling coding books. Join over 150,000 students learning to code just like you. My name is John Elder from codemy.com, and I'll see you in the next video.